If you're looking for a property with a view of the coast, then look no further than this property. I'm Jason from Fine & Country and welcome to Navatek, a wonderful architecturally built property that overlooks the whole of Westwood Ho, located on the sea view side of Bayview Road. This wonderful property offers panoramic views, as you can see. But it's not just about the views, let's take a look at the property. As you can see, the main body of the house is on the first floor and takes full advantage of the views beyond. The areas are segregated into separate areas, including the living room, the dining area, and if you follow me into the corner of the house, past this wonderful wood burning stove, leads us into this open plan kitchen, completely fitted out with integral appliances, including double oven and dishwasher. Now up on this balcony, it really is stunning, looking out over the whole of the bay below. You can see right from Heartland, you can see Lundy, you can see Saunton Sands, and all the way out towards Croyd. So for a property with a view like this, if this is of interest to you, give us a call today on Fine & Country on 01237 426 018.